All right, so part 2, learning laybacks. Today is gonna be one of my favorites. You don't see it done often, but when it's done right, it looks good. And it is the layback frontside feeble. So stick around, I'll show you how to do it. So before you learn layback frontside feebles, there's a few other things that you need to learn how to do first. And the first one is the drop in. The second one, you want to learn how to do frontside carves on the mini ramp. The third one, and the most important, is you need to make sure that you do it in one of these brand new Varsity skate t-shirts. I'll put the link in the description down below to everything on the store. The cool thing about Varsity Skate is when you purchase anything from the web store, it all goes back and supports our nonprofit right here in Kansas City. So you're helping us give food, water, skate supplies, and just build community around the entire skateboard community here in Kansas City. So check that out, link down below. Buy something for yourself, for your friends, for your family. It's all for a great cause. The fourth thing you want to learn is frontside rock and rolls. The fifth thing you want to learn is the layback rock and roll. And if you haven't learned this one yet, I'll also put the link in the description down below to part 1 of this series where you can learn how to do it. Super fun, super easy. Make sure you learn that one before you go and try to learn this one. And the last thing you need to learn how to do is a frontside feeble stall or a grind. So with the layback front feeble, it's very similar to the layback rock and roll. All you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna drop in, and as you start approaching the quarter pipe and the coping, you're gonna start turning your shoulders front side. Make sure to put your back hand down, always thumb side up. You wanna make sure you grab thumb side up because 1, it puts your hips and your shoulders in the right direction, and 2, it's not done proper unless you're able to do it with that thumb up. So go up, put that hand down, thumb side up, and this time you just wait just a little bit and you force your back trucks up and onto the coping. If you do it right, you'll feel almost like a front side pinch as you get into it. And then to go in, you're gonna put just a little bit of pressure on that back tail. Wait just a second for those front trucks to go up and back down over the coping. Start turning your hips and then your shoulders, and then let go and ride it out. That's it. So yeah, that is it. That's exactly how you do a layback frontside feeble. I hope you enjoyed it. It's one of my favorite tricks to do, and it's one that you don't see often. So you can be skating a backyard session or even at the skate park and do it, and it's one of those tricks that's going to be eye-catching because it's just not done very much. And as always, if you guys end up learning this trick, please copy the link from the social site and put it in the comments down below. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe. I'm going to do a few more tutorials just like this where we're going to pick some different laybacks, some ones that you don't see very often. You'll be able to learn them, have fun doing them, and maybe even impress someone at a backyard mini ramp session sometime. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, share this video, give it a like, and we will catch you guys next time. And as always, thanks for hanging.